Hello and welcome to this short video about Jaguar XK8 cleaning up the bolts. This is episode 23 in my series of short videos detailing how I've changed my cam chains and cam chain tensioners. And in this video I'm basically showing how I cleaned up the rusty and dirty bolts from the front engine cover. Okay, so first of all, the front engine cover, you get 24, I think it's 35mm long bolts, but obviously the threads are quite good condition, lots of the coating left on, but the heads are extremely dirty, oily, and they don't look very presentable. So in this video I'm explaining basically how I clean them up. So you get some tape, cover the bolt so you don't damage the thread, tie it up in a vise, not too tight, and then get a wire brush on a drill and basically just clean up all the dirt, rough up the surface, give it a bit of a key. It doesn't take very long, as you can see. Just take it out of the vise, show you how it's worked, and it comes up pretty good. There's an odd spot there I've missed. I'll probably put it back in again and do that a little bit. Once I've done that, I actually punched holes in a piece of cardboard with a bradawl, and then pushed the heads through, and that acted like a bit of a mask. Here you can see I've got all 24 front engine cover bolts in the cardboard. Also I've done the coil pack cover bolts and the induction pipe. There's 2 bolts and a nut. Then what I did is I sprayed them with some zinc spray and put a bit of lacquer over the top just to seal it in, and you get quite a reasonable result. Obviously I didn't bother with the main thread other than cleaning the dirt out of it, and they cleaned up the heads pretty good. So that's the before and after shot. After I did all that, I was thinking, I might as well change them for stainless steel bolts, but we'll see how it goes. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more XK8 videos.